Oh, hey. Hey! What's up, you guys? My name is Delilah, if you don't know already. My channel is mainly beauty, but we do like to have a little fun over here. So it's not all about makeup, but today, it is gonna be about makeup. Today we're gonna have a little glow up transformation. I know that I have my hair installed already and I have foundation on, but that's because I'm trying to kill 2 videos in one day. So what foundation I have on today, girl, let me put y'all on, because I'm doing a review for this. If you guys want to see that review is already up. I upload videos every Tuesday, so make sure you tune in every Tuesday. We're using the HAUS Labs foundation. This is the Triclone Skin Tech foundation. Just put it on right now, and now we're gonna move on with the rest of our makeup. I wonder how these concealers are gonna work with the foundation, because these from Makeup Forever, these are matte velvet skin foundation, and this, I applied this and it's very dewy, like very dewy. If you have dry skin, this is the foundation for you. Is giving skin, very natural, dewy, radiant skin. First, that's like our skin tone color slash color corrector, and then we're gonna highlight with 4.1. Before I started filming this video, I had to, you know, light a little something up, because you know, influencers, we partner with brands and negotiate certain things. We're back and forth with the emails, we're talking about content and all this good stuff, what an influencer always wants. And I'm so thankful for it. Like, I'm so happy that I'm just happy that multiple companies are reaching out to me and I'm being recognized and I'm actually getting paid. When I wanted to start YouTube, I didn't know that you got paid for that shit. I just wanted to do it, but I was just always so shy, and I was kind of insecure because I did look very unique in the past. The fact that I'm doing what I always wanted to do and I'm actually getting paid for it, and companies are reaching out to me and they're sending me stuff and I actually like the stuff, like, it's so cool. And honestly, like, I don't like to do deals where I have to lie. Like, I just can't fake it. I can't fake that I like something. Like, you can see it in my face that I'm not that interested. It's like, for example, a company reached out to me, and I think it was like a shape company, like a I forgot, I don't know if it's called Shaperment, something like that, but they basically sell like fajas, girdles, like stuff like that, and it's like, I don't need that. Like, thanks for reaching out to me and acknowledging me, but I'm so freaking petite, like, I don't need that. Like, can a supplement company reach out to me or something? It's not always like fun and dandy, because like some companies have their rules and they want things done a certain way, and when your creativity gets in the way, that's the part that sucks. That's the part that sucks. At first, when I was offered a deal, they basically told me what they wanted from me. Yes, I did it my own way, but they just wanted me to include certain things in the video, but my way, like doing certain techniques and showing certain shit, or like showing different angles, like, you know, things like that. Like, they don't tell you, oh, say this, say that. Like, they'd be like, make sure you show this from this angle, make sure you talk about this. When that happened, I was having creator's block. So I loved the fact that they were telling me what to do, and it kind of brought back that creativity, because they kind of gave me the blueprint and then I just took over and made it my own way. But now, since I'm getting used to these certain things, and I finally worked with a company where, you know, they wanted something their way, but then for the second video, I could do whatever I want. Like, that shit was so cool. Now I could add my creativity, my ideas to it, because I know, and I'm having fun. It doesn't feel forced. It doesn't feel like an ad. Today, I already have my hair installed and all that stuff, because I was trying to do a whole, well, I was trying to do this. I was trying to do a whole complete transformation. But with the company that I was trying to do it with, they wanted more of a dedicated video to their product. And I'm just like, okay, so that just kind of fucked up my whole idea of today, because now I started writing like all my stuff down with what I'm gonna do for the day when I'm filming. Like, I plan everything out so that I can be ahead, so I can be organized, because my mind be all over the place. We all have lives, we all have shit that we have to take care of when it's not our passion, career, job. Like, there's always something. Imagine if I had kids right now. Nah. So it kind of blew minds. I didn't feel like doing my hair on camera. Like, well, installing the hair on camera. I'll style it for you guys and stuff, but it just kind of blew minds. It blew minds. It just threw me off track. I'm the type of person that I can't get over things. I can't get over things so fast. I'm setting up to film and I can feel my attitude rising. And I'm like, I can't film like this. And that's why I had to light a little something up, because y'all would have been able to see that attitude. Y'all would have been able to see that resting bitch face. And I'm like, nah, that's not about to happen today. So now I'm just using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder in number 2. So now for setting the rest of the face, we're going to use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Powder. I'm using Y505. My makeup looks very matte right now, but it's okay. I always like to put enough powder so that it can just last all day. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Glowish bronzer in number 4. So yeah, now I'm starting to see, like, I've always seen like the sucky parts of being a content creator, but now I see the sucky parts when it comes to working with brand deals, and it sucks when they don't want to pay you. It's so weird. Like, just because of your numbers, just because of your following isn't high enough, like, they ain't trying to pay you. Like, no, you could pay me. You could pay me. Like, damn, sometimes you don't have to pay me as much as you pay these other influencers, but you could pay me. Like, you know? I don't know what kind of brush this is. I don't know what it's for, but this is like the best nose contour brush for me. This is the Morphe M321. I don't know what's the point. It's like a fluffy pencil brush. I don't know. We're gonna move on to eyeshadow first before we do the blush, because I think I want to do like a pumpkin spice kind of look. So as my like orange base, I'm gonna use my Danessa Myricks Colorfix, and this is not magnetic. This is Carrot Top. There's another sticker on it. So what I do, I kind of like swirl it, kind of like, I don't know, I thin it out on my hand. I take a little bit on the brush and I just go in like if it's eyeshadow. So the color we're using on top of the orange, we're going to use Love Kills Hindash palettes. And I'm going to go right in the middle, because when you go more towards here, it's more red. Right here is more corally, and right here is like the perfect orange. Going with Love. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna use my P. Louise base again. I'm gonna go in with paint and tan right here and put that right on the lid right here. I'm gonna try putting this in our waterline. My coworker told me that she does this and it doesn't do anything to her eye. So yeah, she said it doesn't do anything to her eye, and I've been dying to use these things for my waterline. Oh my god, I love the way this looks so much. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. I'm gonna be right back. We're gonna put some blush on and some lipstick, and then we're gonna do the hair. I'm gonna go on with Terra Benefit. Okay, so I'm not gonna put on the highlight for you guys in this video. I'm actually gonna see you guys later. I'm gonna go back to my House of Labs review video and I'm gonna try on this freaking highlight that I just got today. If you guys want to see that, like I said, it will be up already. Should I just do the lip now? Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do the lip now. Screw everything I said. My hand is a mess. Look at this shit. Oh my god. That's what I do to make my makeup look nice and natural. I just drench my face with setting spray and then I go over it with my beauty blender very softly. So now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever 610 Versatile Chestnut. What the f? Oh, this has color on it already. This is straight up red. No, no, no. You see, the perfect color for this would have been my Gwen Stefani lipstick in Lovable Me. But a few days after I used it, I came downstairs to my filming area and it was open and it was broken. I want to know which one of my nephews did that shit. So instead, we're going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Walk of Shame. Well, I'm going to dab it because I don't want too much coverage. I still want my lips to shine through. I'm gonna come back with the complete and finished look after my House Labs review, after I put the highlight on. I need to wash my hands. Okay, so I just threw on a one piece and a cropped jacket. Jean jacket is all like distressed and ripped up and stuff. I decided to keep my hair straight like this because, you know, I did a couple TikToks and I feel really cute. I feel really cute. So we're just gonna end the video here. So this was basically just a makeup tutorial. This was basically just a makeup tutorial because I just can't take it anymore. Like, I don't feel like filming anymore. I'm tired. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment. I'm a terrible YouTuber. Have a nice day. Bye, you guys.